Did you know that 70% of antibiotics globally are used in animal farming? Around half of the chicken that we eat has been treated with antibiotics. In poultry farms, antibiotics are often overused, not just to treat illness, but to promote growth and prevent disease in crowded conditions. This overuse fuels antimicrobial resistance, or AMR. AMR occurs when bacteria adapt, making antibiotics ineffective for humans and animals alike. This silent crisis could make common infections deadly again. Bacterial AMR was directly responsible for 1.27 million global deaths in 2019 and contributed to 4.95 million deaths. But there is hope. Responsible farming practices can reduce the need for antibiotics. Choose poultry labeled antibiotic free and support policies that limit antibiotic use in agriculture. Together, we can stop this overlooked issue and save our future. Protect health, stop resistance, stop antibiotic overuse.